Hello, friends. So it is 11:15 at night, and I'm supposed to leave in the morning to head out and learn how to paint correct my pickup and ceramic coat it. But there's one thing I haven't done. I haven't packed. And I'm waiting on my daughter and son-in-law to get here because they're bringing some stuff over in case I have a flat tire, little things like that. So we're going to get that loaded up. And I told you I would take you along with me every step of the way. So here we go. It's time to get packed.
This to take off the lug nuts and the plastic caps.
Alrighty, friends, I am all packed. Now I just need to get some sleep, and then I will be on the road in the morning. I'll see you then. Good morning, friends. It is Thursday morning. It is time for me to take Miss Bella to my friend's house. Is going to keep her for the next couple of days, and we're going to get on the road. So here we go. Alrighty, friends, it is 9:08. I'm a little later than I really wanted to be, but that's because I needed like 2 cups of coffee just to get going. Ugh. So let's hit the road.
Pizza.
Okay, I got Lunchable. Ham and Swiss. I'm a diabetic, so I control everything by diet. I will not take that medication. That's a whole other story. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm just entering Pauls Valley, Oklahoma. Over here, the Dollar Tree warehouse was destroyed by a tornado. Look at that. I used to pick up loads out of there and run them cross country. I'll tell you what, that's sad. So sad. And I made it to Dallas, Texas.